Hi there! In this video, I will give you a quick guide on how you can open a BMO Harris Bank checking account. So please listen carefully to each step that I will be explaining because I will describe everything clearly so you can follow along. Before starting, make sure that you have a valid ID and initial deposits ready. This will help you access banking services and manage your finances efficiently. So first, you will visit your BMO Harris Bank website or a local branch, and then you will choose open an account and then checking account. And after that, you will basically just have to fill in your personal information, including your name, your address, and your social security number. Then you will select your account type and deposit method. And finally, you will just have to review and submit your application. And once you're approved, you will receive your account number and debit card. And that's basically just it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I really hope it was helpful for you. And if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.